In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix message not delivered on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, green messages usually occur when you're not using iMessage. Let's say if you're sending a message to someone on Android and you're on iPhone, they're not going to be able to use iMessage. So those are generally going to be green. But let's say you're trying to send someone a message and they're on iPhone as well, but they're going as green messages, so they're not sending properly. So what you want to do is firstly, make sure you have either your Wi-Fi connected or your mobile data as well. If you don't, or if it's not working still, just turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, wait, and then, turn it off again, and then see if that works for you. And another thing you can do is go over to your settings application, then scroll all the way down and go to apps, then scroll down one more time until you find the messages app. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and you just want to ensure that iMessage is enabled, and then you should be good to go. Now, anytime you send messages, they shouldn't be green as long as you have internet connection to send them as blue, which is iMessage. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.